Good afternoon. My name is Danny. It's a pleasure to meet you. This is the boiler we're discussing. I'm going to turn on the water. Looking for the yellow light to come on, of course, right here. And at the same time, I'm watching the water level right there. As soon as the water level gets out of sight, that's when the yellow light comes on. All right, it immediately came on. Furnace has shut itself off. Going to stop the water. I'm going to wait 2 minutes for the time delay. The time delay is very useful for the house like this because of the square feet. It gives the return water enough time to get back and not overfill the boiler by immediately coming back on. So I think that water feeder can actually be set for as much as 10 minutes delay. Interesting feature, and it's got that handy water counter in gallons. All right, so there's the water feeder. There's that little dot right there that I was telling you about. And that dot is in there. That's the call for water. And then, like I was saying, there is a delay of up to 10 minutes right there. And then you can either set it for gallons or decide whether it's set for low water cutoff. This is also the reset counter right here. If you push that button, it'll reset back to 0. Pretty nice little unit. Water level went back out. Yellow light went off. Boiler is starting to fire back up. All right, she's back on.